Assalamualaikum. Hi. How are you, students? I hope you are fine and ready to start our lesson today. Today, we will learn vocabulary. Now, please go and get your textbook and turn to page 8. Now, let's discuss task A together. You have to match the definitions with the members of the family. Now, let's read through this together. Number 1, your mom's mother. Your mom's mother. Ibu kepada ibu awak. Number 2, your brother's or sister's daughter. Your brother's or sister's daughter. Anak perempuan kepada abang atau adik lelaki atau kakak atau adik perempuan awak. Number 3, your uncles and aunts' children. Your uncles and aunts' children. Anak-anak kepada pakcik dan makcik awak. Number 4, your brother or sister's son. Your brother or sister's son. Anak lelaki kepada abang, adik lelaki atau kakak atau adik perempuan awak. Number 5, your mother's sister. Your mother's sister. Adik perempuan atau kakak kepada ibu awak. And lastly, your father's wife if he marries again. Your father's wife if he marries again. Isteri kepada ayah awak jika dia berkahwin semula. Now, let's take a look at the members of the family. You have A, aunt, B, niece, C, stepmother, D, grandmother, E, nephew, and F, cousins. Okay, let's match the definitions with the members of the family. Your mom's mother is your grandmother. Ibu kepada ibu awak ialah nenek awak. Next, number 2. Your brother's or sister's daughter is your niece. Anak saudara. Tapi dalam bahasa Inggeris, berbeza untuk lelaki dan perempuan. Untuk perempuan, kita gunakan perkataan niece. Next, your uncles and aunts' children are your cousins. Anak-anak kepada pakcik dan makcik awak ialah sepupu awak. Next, your brother's or sister's son. Anak saudara lelaki ialah nephew. Nephew. Number 5, your mother's sister is your aunt. Kakak atau adik perempuan ibu awak ialah makcik awak. And lastly, your father's wife if he marries again is your stepmother. Isteri kepada ayah awak jika dia berkahwin semula ialah ibu tiri. Okay, we have finished task A. Now let's move on to task B. For task B, you have to complete the sentences using 2 of the words in each group. Okay, there are 8 questions over here. And you have to choose only 2 out of the 3 words given. Okay, let's take a look at all the words given. Number 1, height, slim, tall. Number 2, weight, overweight, build. Number 3, beard, blonde, straight. Number 4, elderly, middle-aged, young. Number 5, hardworking, jealous, generous. Number 6, relaxed, honest, nervous. Number 7, unkind, easygoing, scruffy. Number 8, lazy, clever, reliable. Okay, all of these are actually, what do you think all of this? They describe people. Okay, now let's take a look at number 1. Peter has always been very dash. He was 1.898 meter when he was 14 years old. He's also quite, even though he eats a lot. So which one do you think you should use for this sentence? Okay, he was 1.98 meters, so I think he's tall. He's also quite, even though, walaupun dia makan banyak. So is it height or slim? Height ialah ketinggian. Okay, so you should answer slim. So Peter has always been very tall. He was 1.98 meter when he was 14 years old. He's also quite slim, even though he eats a lot. Okay, next. Number 2. Annabelle and Claire have got the same dash. They aren't very tall and they're both a bit dash. So is it weight, overweight or build? Okay, weigh maksudnya berat. Berat dia berapa? Contoh, if I say I weigh 54 kilos, it means berat saya ialah 54 kilo. Okay, overweight, agak gempal. Build ni macam mana fizikalnya? So the answer is Annabelle and Claire have got the same build. They aren't very tall and they're both a bit overweight. Okay, next. Beard, blonde and straight. I love your son's curly dash hair. Mine is very dash and dark. So is it a beard? Beard is janggut. Blonde, warna kuning emas. Rambut biasanya straight, lurus. So I love your son's curly. Curly ialah printing. Curly. Mine is very and dark. So I love your son's curly blonde hair. Mine is very straight and dark. Next, number 4. Sunday was boring. We spent it with our dash grandparents and our parents. So ni nampak macam umur-umur elderly, agak tua, middle age, pertengahan umur, and young, muda. So Sunday was boring. We spent it with our elderly grandparents, nenek dan atuk yang dah tua, and our middle age parents, dan ibu bapa yang pertengahan umur. So I don't think this is nice, saying that it's boring to spend time with your family. Okay, next, number 5. My aunt is a very, there's answer. My aunt is a very generous person. She gives money to people in need. She's also very hardworking and spends lots of time helping at the care center. Generous ya, pemurah. Okay? No, dah terbalik. I'm very sorry. Alright, so let's just move on to number 6. My cousin Jack is he needs to do more exercise to help him. Okay, is it relaxed, honest or nervous? Okay, so I think my cousin Jack is very nervous. So he needs to do more exercise to help him relax. Number 7. Granddad is very easygoing and fun-loving, and he always dresses in scruffy clothes. Okay, and yeah, I'm sorry about this again. Number 8. Jack is if you ask him to do something, he forgets. He's very do and does very well at school. So Jack isn't very reliable, because if you ask him to do something, he forgets. Isn't very reliable ni macam tak berapa boleh diharap lah. He's very clever though and does very well at school. Walaupun begitu, dia sangat pandai. Okay, well done. We have finally finished today's lesson, so don't forget to answer the quiz. Okay, thanks. Bye.